Are you experiencing difficulty in drilling holes in PT slab? We are experienced in dealing with these type of conditions, and have answer to all your questions. Let's start with basics first. It is very well established, and known to the construction industry, that there are some very good advantages of PT structures, as compared to the conventional RCC structures. Like, PT is economical and elegant for long spans, helps in saving parking spaces, gives great architectural look and feel to the building, and many more. However, modifications in PT slabs remains a gray area. This leads us to few questions. First question is, why you may need to core cut PT slab? Let's take one of the most common scenario, hotel buildings with PT slab. As a hotel, all the units or rooms requires utility connection, which in turn, requires core cutting through slab for utility pipes. Currently, there is a practice in India to mark PT tendon at bottom face of the slab. It is very interesting to note that these markings may not be the actual location of the tendons. Let's understand the reason behind it. The markings shown as red stripes here, are done after removal of form work, from the structural details drawing and anchor location. Whereas, there are chances, that tendon may be shifted, during the construction. Friends, we had experienced many cases, where actual tendon location is nowhere nearer, to the marked location. You may not want to take that risk of cutting tendon. Second question is, what will happen if I cut the PT tendon? Well, it is two-part answer. One part is like good news, and another is like bad news. So, let's start with good news first. If your structure is very well built, with strictest quality control, nothing will happen if you cut one or two tendons. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive a bit deeper. Well, the tensile stress carrying capacity of tendon is in order of 1500 megapascal, which is 3 times regular reinforcement's capacity. So if one or two tendons are cut, then that load is going to distribute to the regular reinforcement. On the other hand, bad news is, in India the strict quality control is not so common, due to various reasons. Core cut may stuck, if it hits tendon sometimes, and scary situation arises. Remember, we are cutting hole for utilities, and water may percolate through that broken tendon to the other part of slab, which will severely affect durability, because of corrosion. Moreover, earthquake performance of PT structures will get compromised, due to broken tendon. So, in short, core cutting in PT tendon is a risky, if not properly planned. Lastly, third most important question is, what is a solution to this problem? Friends, technology nowadays is progressing too fast, and as always, is here for help. What if I tell you that, you can scan the slab, and can see where tendon is, just like the doctor finds broken bone, from the X-ray? Yes, it is possible. The name of this technology is GPR technology. Using GPR, we can scan and locate exact location of tendon. But there is a catch. As per Wikipedia, considerable expertise is necessary to effectively plan, design, conduct, and interpret GPR surveys. We, at D-Bond, gives the exact same service you require, to get the job done. We have well-qualified, experienced and skilled team working for us. We don't only conduct GPR surveys to detect PT tendons, but also give you bonus advice on how to carefully core cut the PT structure. Our flexible service packages are designed to well suit Indian conditions. You can get more information on this, through this YouTube channel and our website. You can contact us for your on-site demo. Thank you.